Hello, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we're going through a tutorial through Bambu Studios showing you how to add fuzzy skin and kind of why we do it. Now in the prepare setting, we want to make sure our object is selected. We are going to go down to others and then we're going to scroll all the way down until we see the fuzzy skin option. Now there's contour and holes. I usually just set it on contour, and when you do this, these two options, the distance and thickness, this is kind of like the grain pattern. If you can think of sandpaper, this is kind of like the coarseness of that. So depending on how coarse you want that to be, will kind of be what it is that you're choosing. This is a way to hide some layer lines. One of the ways that you can do it, especially if you've got some objects that are a little bit more curved, or even if they're just straight up and down, it's just an alternative way to try and hide some of those layer lines and make it look a little bit more appealing is really the only reason for it. Now, once you end up slicing, you'll end up seeing your kind of end result, and you can kind of zoom in and you can kind of look at it to see the grain pattern. It's not amazing. You really can't tell perfectly until you're done, but you can kind of see all of these uneven bits of that line. If I were to change this to be, let's say 0.4, and I change this to be 0.1, and then I redid my slice, we'd be able to see kind of a little bit of the difference between those two pieces. It's probably not going to be as aggressive as we can tell right away. So again, depending on what your object is, you might have to print and try, unfortunately, to see which one actually works better for your object, but it is a nice way to kind of remove some of those layer lines, or at least give the illusion that some of those layer lines are gone. And with that, that's all that we're going to go through today. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.